at Marion. In Lancaster, fair, and 80.
Wow,
At
Marion.
Newark, fair, and 81. Up in Cleveland, fair, and 85. Down in Cincinnati, fair, and 85. And over in Dayton, fair, and 86. Once again at 11 a.m., at the John Glenn Columbus International Airport, it was 82 degrees under fair skies. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for today and tonight. Hot and humid conditions will lead to heat indices in the 95 to 100 degree range this afternoon. In addition, scattered thunderstorms will be capable of producing heavy rain and localized.
There we go. Yes!
This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for today and tonight. Hot and humid conditions will lead to heat indices and...
There's that. So the version 5 went off. Toned. So that, I said that. 74-210 went off. 12-250 went off. And a 249. Solarlink went off. And guess who actually went off? The 259.